Hello dolls, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working with Lacy Hair Company. This is how the hair looks. It's a 20-inch in the color 1B. This is also a Brazilian hair and 180 density. So pretty full. So I'm showing you how to apply the wig, how I install my wigs. So I'm just fitting it on to my head right now. First thing you would want to do is cut off the ear tabs. To hold this lace down, I'm going in with my Ghost Bond lace front glue. I'm putting only one layer today because I am going to put spray on top of it. I gave it a minute or two to dry and it's very sticky, so now I'm just flattening with the comb with the lace front glue on it. Even though this wig did come semi pre-plucked, I'm going in a little bit more where I want my baby hairs. am adding the Esha lace front spray just to add a little bit more security. Adding 2 elastic bands or 2 wraps around the lace front area where you put the glue will definitely help it stick better. This wig, I wanted to stick with a slick middle part, so that's what I did. I did not have to do too much plucking. I'm going on top with this wax just to give my hair a flatter look because I'm going over it with the hot comb. I wanted my middle part to be super slick and really visible, so I did pluck a little bit, but I'm going to go over top with a black hairspray. now it's time for the baby hairs. It came out so nice and dry and very slick. While I'm cutting off the lace, I'm doing a zigzag motion so it's not just straight across lace. Kind of just cutting my baby hair straight across at a slight angle. Because I want this baby hairs to hold forever, I'm going in with the Extreme Wet Line Gel. My secret for a nice lace front and also blending, you go in with a little bit of foundation in the lace area. Now I'm going in to add a few wavy curls, not too curly, just a small wave with the 1.5-inch curling iron. Now that the style is basically done, I'll be back with my makeup on. And that is it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.